Hello, I am Kurt Schleibaum, and I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Forms as a remediation tool and checking for understanding tool. Using this method, it uses page breaks for each of your problems and each of your tutorials. You notice that there is 10 pages on this form. Let's look inside question number 1. We have our question, we have our help text telling the students what we'd like them to do with the question, and we have our answers. So our correct answer moves the student on to problem number 1, and our 3 incorrect answers move our students on to tutorial number 1. What is a tutorial, you might ask? We scroll down through our 5 questions and look at tutorial number 1. Tutorial number 1 for problem number 1 is a YouTube video about the problem and how to solve it, embedded straight into the form. Then we ask the same question again, or a like question, and when they get it right, they move on to problem number 2. If they are still wrong, they stay on the tutorial to watch the video again. One more thing to note before we move on is when you are naming your pages, you want to name them in a way that you can find them in this beautiful drop-down menu. It allows for better construction of your forms and quicker. How does this look for the students? Let's run over to the live form and look at the live form. This form will be showing the students one problem at a time. So we have 1/3 plus 1/2. We obviously know that answer is 5/6. So if we would click 5/6 and continue, we would continue on to problem number 2. Let's purposely get it wrong for this purpose, and let's see tutorial number 1, and you can see the YouTube video pop up. They can play the YouTube video, answer the problem appropriately, and it's going to move them on to problem number 2. Do keep in mind that at the end of the problems, you need to send the students into submitting the form. Thank you for watching my screencast on Google Forms, and remember, education's all about the kids.